Hey guys, it's me again, PrinterManiac, and I just want to say a giant thank you for so many views, subscribers, likes, and positive comments you made. You know what? You just made my day. So, as I said on the other video, we're going to make a Clash Royale free chest, but I've tried to add the crown chest too, which turned out pretty bad at the beginning, so I had to do the free chest only. So let's get started. I opened Cura and Mesh Mixer, where I'll show you how to use Mesh Mixer. But first I'm going to open the folder and get the chests where we'll leave it like that, as I want it to be. So now, from the other hand, we're going to put the ground chest in the mesh mixer, and I'm going to show you how to use it a bit. First, we're going to move the chest to the platform and adjust it perfectly so there are no problems. Later on, we'll go to analysis and overhangs, which will detect us the overhangs in the same way Cura does. But here we have different supports and also lots of options for the supports. And one of the most useful in this application is density, which tells us how it's going to work out. Now, as you see, we have some supports, but I don't like those types of supports, so I'm going to use them with Cura. I'm going to readjust the sizes, and now we're going to check layers and see how it's done. First we have the supports, which are in cyan, and then step by step we can see how it's done during the process. Now that we're going to extract the SD card, and we're gonna go upstairs this time. Change place of the printer, you know. And we're going to turn it on. Go to print and hit the first file that we see, which is the Clash Royale, yeah, free chest. That's what I thought what would happen, but instead I got this mess. I'll show you now. See, it's disgusting. So I had to print only the free chest, which was sad because I wanted you to see both of the chests. But now we wait until it's done. Once it's done, we can see that it's quite small and cute. The sad part is you can't actually open it, which would be way much cooler. So now we just peel off the support. In my case, some of the filaments got attached to the chest and I had to peel them off. Compared to the other chest, it's quite smaller, but we can see clearly the detail of the orange one. So, before ending this video, I'm giving you another sneak peek for the positive stuff on the other video. So, the sneak peek is about a game where lots of people from Russia and other countries such as Sweden, Europe, and maybe Spain play. That's right, it's Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to do a hand-sized karambit knife. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.